how to make a repeating piston in Minecraft. So first what we want to do is just get the redstone repeater and just place it just like this. So that, I'm just gonna make it like this formation. Once it's done, just open it up fully right there. So open all of it, then get your redstone dust and put it on the sides right here. And once that's done, you just simply need to get the redstone torch and put it at the side right here and just remove it. As you can see, it's now circling up, and the next thing that you want to do is just get the redstone dust again and just extend it right here. You now have it right there. Then just get your piston and put it on this side on the other block. Then put the redstone repeater away from the circuit right here and put it right there. And as you can see, we now have this piston. Oop, I'm just gonna kill this. And once that's done, you could now also add the lever right here, so you could basically stop the piston right here. So if you want, so when you click on the lever, as you can see, it stops. When I click on it again, it just goes just like that. That's how you basically make a repeating piston in Minecraft.